Have you ever felt your heart race before sharing an idea, worrying what others might think? Or avoided stepping up for a new project because the thought of failure made you uneasy? Welcome to Minutes Mastery series by 3T. Today, we shall discuss the 4 fears at work which hold back our progress because your mind is wired to keep you safe. These fears were highlighted by leadership expert David Cottrell in his book Monday Morning Leadership. But science backs this too. Fear triggers your amygdala, the part of your brain designed for survival. At work, though it tricks you into playing small instead of playing bold. So now, let us analyze what these 4 fears are and do they relate to you and me? First is the fear of failure. Did you know that Dhirubhai Ambani's first business in Yemen collapsed? He lost everything, but instead of giving up, he came back to India and built Reliance, now valued at over $200 billion. Failure is not opposite of success, it's part of it. Second is fear of criticism. In 2013 and even now also, Virat Kohli was criticized for his poor form. Instead of shrinking, he trained harder and reworked his technique, and today is one of the world's best batters. What is the difference between good and great? Handling criticism like fuel to prod you on and disprove others. Third is fear of rejection. When Falguni Nayar launched Nykaa at 50, investors turned her away, saying, "Who buys beauty products online?" Today, Nykaa is worth rupees 85,000 crore. She turned rejection into a $1 billion beauty revolution. Rejection is just redirection if you push through sufficiently. Fourth is fear of losing control. When Captain Gopinath, the mind behind Air Deccan, started India's first low-cost airline, he knew he couldn't fly every plane or check every ticket. He empowered his team and revolutionized air travel. Trust multiplies success, control limits it. These fears of failure, criticism, rejection, and losing control are not real walls. They are mental blocks. It is important for us to recognize them and face them because the biggest breakthroughs in your career are waiting on the other side of fear. Remember the punchline of Mountain Dew, डर के आगे जीत है. I remember when we started our company 3T in 2012, the fear of failure was looming large since we had been salaried employees up till then. Hence the question, what if we fail? What if others will then laugh at us for the foolish decision? This used to bother us initially, but we took the bull by horns and there has been no looking back. Touch wood. Thanks for watching Minutes Mastery and please do not forget to subscribe to more such interesting tips.